So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get all the Windows Essential softwares in just one click. You don't need to get to websites manually to download the specific folders or the required folders that you need when you buy a new laptop or computer. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you need to search for ninite.com. You can see that's the specific site. Just simply go to this particular site. Now here it says pick the apps you want to download. Now, let's say if I want Chrome, I want Firefox, Edge, Zoom, Discord, everything I want, I just simply need to check it in. And once I do it, you can see you can find various categories here as well. Now, once you're done, let's say if I select Epic Game Launchers as well. Now, just simply hit on this option of Get Your 999. Once you do that, you'll notice that you can the application will start downloading automatically. You just simply need to wait and watch them to download. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.